Hello and welcome to another episode of The Handy Homeowner. Thank you for joining the channel today. So today we're going to keep it simple and we're going to go over my daughter's beautiful kitchen set that she has. We may have gone a little overboard, but this is what a child needs to be a well-functioning adult. So as you can see, we have running water in her kitchen. So I wanted to show you how we did it. We kept it super simple that anybody can do it. So all we did was drill a hole into a regular bowl. And then as you can see right here, I added a little bit of a dishwasher drain to it. And then what I like about the dishwasher drain is it has threads on it, so you can cut the hole a little bit smaller and then you can just turn the threads in. And then on the top here, I just siliconed it. And if you look down here, I have a child safety lock on it, but I can put my hand right here. As you can see, I locked her out so she couldn't get to this part of it. And this is a super simple design because I didn't want to make it too complicated that nobody could do it. I wanted everybody to be able to do this for their children. So this is our drain water. So all I have to do to drain the water is lift this out. And then I have this 1 gallon jug, and this is a different color so I don't get it mixed up. This is a dark blue, and that's all her soapy water. You can see it in there. Ew. But she's glad and happy to wash her own hands. And then this is our fresh water. And right here, I drilled a little 1/4-inch hole into the top here, so that way the water doesn't get all soiled. And then this is the coolest part right here. Is this little guy. So you know those big 5-gallon jugs of water that you get at the store? So this is $20 and then it's rechargeable and it runs forever. So you can see there, I just have the pipe and that goes into our gallon jug. And then right here is our charging port. And this thing runs for like weeks with her washing her hands at least 3 times a day. And it's great because we have her taught to push this button and it only gives her 600 milliliters of water and then it automatically shuts off. And if you have any cheap plastic cups laying around, you can find one that fits this size right here. So that way it's just a nice pressure fit. So I cut the cup so I only have like 3/4 of an inch sticking out, and then I screwed it to this top that we made and it worked out great, and that's it. And then we went really crazy over here because she always wants to grab her snacks out of the cupboard, all the easy stuff. So we added a little refrigerator so she can get her cut up fruit, vegetables, and her water out of there. So she's sleeping right now, but this is her setup. She's got her bowls, she's got her plates, she's got her silverware. And she insisted on her cups going down here, but that's her system. But this is our Montessori kitchen. So I just gotta refill her water because she's been using this up. She got her hands dirty today, and I gotta dump this. But all we did was get an old, what would you call this? Old shelf.
It's a cabinet.
It's just a cabinet, and then I added a door to it so she couldn't get to the water features itself. And then I got all crazy, I did an epoxy top for it. It's really nice. And then she also cuts her food and vegetables up here because we want to give her the ability to do everything for herself. You know, we don't want to hold her back. So everything's her height, and she just loves it. So I figured I'd show you guys our little Montessori kitchen. So thank you all for joining today, and maybe in the next video, I'll have better lighting and it won't be dark out. Whatever. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.